pronounce your name, Paul.
No worries. Yeah, Thiebaut.
Thiebaut. Okay, thanks. Remember that it's T-ball. Thiebaut. Okay.
Yeah, Thiebaut, like the football player.
Yeah, there. Okay, there you are. Oh, hi, Citlaly. Hi. All right. Okay, so we are very glad to have you here presenting on your innovative program. And why don't you start? Hello.
Hello, my name is Citlaly Arroyo. I'm 10 years old. I live in, I'm in 4th grade. I was born and raised in East Palo Alto. I'm a student at Thiebaut Method, which is a nonprofit organization that helps kids with their passion. And my social good project is to help homeless people. And now I'm gonna share some slides. So what I've done so far for my social good project is that first I designed flyers. I printed them. So this is a picture of my flyer that I designed, and and this is a picture of me printing my flyers at FedEx. And I went to 2 bookstores, Bellman's Bookstore and Books Inc. And I passed out flyers there, and I asked if I can put donation bins in their store. And here's a picture of me and Sheeny. The donation bin is the bin right there in the middle between us. And then after that, I went to St. Francis of Assisi, which is a Catholic church in East Palo Alto. And I went over there and I started tabling. Here's a picture of me over there tabling with a picture of flyers and hygiene kits. And at the end of the day, I collected $77 of donation. And then I had a meeting with Father Goody, which is a father at St. Francis of Assisi, talking about my project and what I should do. And then I went with Lisa Gaucher to and then I went with Lisa Gaucher, who is a city council member in East Palo Alto. I went with her to the RV safe spot, and then we passed out toiletries to the RV residents, and then after that we went to an alleyway, and we passed out 3 hygiene kits over there. Oh, I mean 2, and I passed out 3 hygiene kits to 3 men in the alleyway, and then I went to Project We Hope, and I was tabling. Here's a picture of me at Project We Hope outside of the building, and I was showing one of the guests what I have and what I was doing. And then after that, I went inside the building of Project We Hope, and I passed out, I put each toiletry in on every single cot on there, and then if you guys want to watch this video, it's gonna be on my on my website. And one thing that I've learned so far is that it's good to help others. Just like when I was in the alleyway, I was giving the toiletries to the men. When I was talking to them, they were talking in Spanish, so it was good for me to practice my language, and I knew that it was a good feeling to listen to the men, and they were saying that it's very good that I'm doing this, and it made me happy and more motivated for my project, because there's people that really supported me and encouraged me to do more. And then one thing that I hope to accomplish is to help more homeless people in other cities. Thank you guys for your time. I will answer other questions.
Citlaly, thank you very, very much for a comprehensive and well put together presentation. I really do admire the work that you're doing as a 10-year-old. I could only have hoped to have been so enlightened when I was a 10-year-old. So you really set a high standard for us in the city of East Palo Alto and for your fellow 10-year-olds. Council members, any thoughts or comments here? Certainly.
Through the chair, if I can just say to Citlaly, thank you so much. You were so brave, and thank you for all the work that you're doing to help our community. We really appreciate you. I appreciate working with you. The world needs more people like you who cares about other people. We will be in such a better place if we just thought of others and cared about other people's feelings. So again, thank you for your big heart. So proud of you. Great job tonight.
Thank you so much, Lisa.
Any other council members?
Citlaly, thank you so much for that presentation. You're an inspiration to us all. I'm very glad that you gave us a presentation at the beginning. You remind us of the standard, and I hope we hope to see you again. Excellent job with the presentation. Very, very good summary, and I able to follow each step, and it's really inspiring to see what you're doing. And anything we can do to keep helping you, we'd be honored. So keep up the good work, and we hope you visit us again in the city council meetings.
Thank you.
Through the chair,
Yes.
I just want to say I have one child that's 11 and one child that's 13. So they're just a little bit older than you. And you can even teach them about how to influence the community to make dynamic impact. Thank you so much for your presentation and for your work. And if this is what you're doing at 10, I mean, look out world, by the time you are of age, none of us are going to be able to catch you. Thank you for being so extraordinary.
I can only imagine. Vice Mayor?
Citlaly, te voy a hablar en español y luego hablo en inglés. Pues me da mucho gusto conocerte y te doy las gracias por tu trabajo. Y eres muy buen ejemplo para otros niños, jóvenes, hasta para los adultos, porque a veces muchos adultos pues no toman tiempo, aunque sea un poquito de tiempo, para ayudar a otras personas. Y es muy importante seguir haciendo eso. Te deseo lo mejor en tus estudios y espero esté todo bien con tu familia y con todos tus amigos y amigas.
Muchas gracias.
So, I was just telling her that I thank her very much for all her work, and she's setting a good example, not only for other children, but even for adults, because sometimes even adults maybe don't spend enough, even a little bit of time helping others. And so that goes a long ways. So thank you.
Citlaly, again, very well done. Muy bien hecho. It was quite an honor to have you with us today, and keep up the good work. And we hope to see you around the community and possibly back here. So thanks again, Mr. Thiebaut, for helping this happen and for your program. And we definitely appreciate all the work that's happening out there. again. Goodbye all. Thank you. Ciao, Citlaly.
Thank
Buenas
you.
noches.